Hello friends, how are you? Today in this lecture we will see how to install MATLAB mobile app in smartphone. So let's see the video. This is your mobile screen. Go to Play Store, click on Play Store. So this window will appear. Just search for MATLAB mobile. So they will give you suggestions. So click on MATLAB mobile here. So this window will appear. Say download. So it will get downloaded. After getting downloaded, this screen will appear. MATLAB, do you want to install this application? So say install here. So it will get installed. After installation, it will show app installed. Say open. So this window will appear. Here you have to say continue. Now you have to write your email ID. If you are having MathWorks account, then you can write your email ID and you have to say next, and then you have to put password. But if you are not having any MathWorks account, then you have to create it. Just say create one. So here you have to put your email ID and say continue to create account. Don't forget to tick this box. Now say continue. Now see, this window will appear. It will say verify your MathWorks account. Now steps are given. Go to your inbox. So you have to go to your Gmail box. One link will be there. You have to click on that link. Now we have to go to Gmail box. This is my Gmail. Here one email has appeared. So click over here. Verify email address. So verify your email. That tab is there. See, verify your email. So click over that verify your email tab. Now it is verified. Your profile was verified. Your account is created. Now again go to app. There you have to put password. It will ask for password. When you will say continue here, then you will go to this screen. Now write one password with these instructions. That password should be strong enough. Then say continue. Do you have a MATLAB license? If you are having a MATLAB license, then you say yes. If you are not having MATLAB license, then say no. If you are having MATLAB license, then more features will be enabled that you can use during MATLAB mobile app operations. Now say no. If you are not having any license, then say no. Without a license, you can still use MATLAB mobile. Okay, so say no here. Unlock more features. To unlock more features, you have to upgrade this mobile app, but they will ask for money for this. You have to pay some money. So just say continue. When you will upgrade this, you will get 5 GB cloud storage. Otherwise you will have 500 MB space in which you have to do various mathematical operations or MATLAB operations. Now say continue. Now this windows appear. Now here you can perform various operations. Click over here. See, now here in this window only you have to perform various operations. One basic mathematical operation in MATLAB that I am showing you, 2 plus 3. So when you will enter, the answer will appear, that is 5. So this way you can perform various mathematical operations in MATLAB. This is very basic operation. You can perform various other MATLAB operations. If you have any doubt in installation, you can call me or you can comment me in this YouTube comment box. Thank you.